Hello everyone, welcome to Affairs Cloud. So as we all know, the Union government had invoked a nationwide lockdown since 24th of March in order to prevent the spread of the novel coronavirus disease. So in accordance with this lockdown, section 144 of the Code of Criminal Procedure CRPC was invoked. So in this video, let's take a look at what the section 144 of the CRPC is. So why is it in the news? Let's take a look at that first. So as you all know, on the 24th of March, the Union government had ordered a nationwide lockdown as a preventive measure against the 2020 coronavirus pandemic, COVID-19. So this was followed by enforcement of a series of regulations in the country's COVID-19 affected regions, under which section 144 of the CRPC, Code of Criminal Procedure, so that's the abbreviation of CRPC, and section 144 of the CRPC was invoked throughout the country in order to enforce the lockdown. So this is in relevance to the current affairs. So what is the Code of Criminal Procedure? The code is the main legislation on procedure for administration of substantive criminal law in our country. So the CRPC was enacted in the year of 1973 and it came into force on 1st of April 1974. So these are important dates to be noted. The CRPC Act provides the machinery for the investigation of crime, apprehension of suspected criminals, collection of evidence, and etc. Now, in relevance to our current context, the CRPC Act also deals with public nuisance and prevention of offences. Now, although COVID-19 as a disease cannot be classified as a public nuisance or an offence, we'll look into the nuance of this act later. Now, at present, the CRPC Act contains 484 sections, 2 schedules and 56 forms. So now let's take a look at the section 144 of the CRPC in specific. So first let's take a look at under what conditions or why section 144 is invoked. So 144 of the CRPC is invoked in order to prevent or tend to prevent obstruction, annoyance or injury to any person or danger to human life, health or safety or a disturbance of the public tranquility due to a riot or an affray. So in essence, section 144 of the CRPC is invoked in order to prevent damage to human life or property. So this is what is the essence of why CRPC section 144 is invoked. Now moving on to who has the authority to invoke section 144. So the district magistrate, that is the district, also known as the district collector of a district, subdivisional magistrate or any other executive that is specially empowered by the state government or the union government has the authority to invoke the section 144 of CRPC. Now let's take a look at some of the salient features of the section 144 of CRPC. Now under section 144, the order shall remain in force for no more than a period of 2 months from the making, unless the state government deems it necessary to do so. Also, any magistrate may, on his own accord or if any aggrieved person files an application, rescind or alter any order that he or she has made under this section. Now, when an application under subsection 5 or subsection 6 is received, the magistrate or the state government shall afford to the applicant who filed the application an early opportunity of appearing before and showing cause against the order, as in the one who applied against the government can have an opportunity to show cause against the order. Now, unique point here is that there are certain places which have section 144 invoked all the time on the premises as well as the surrounding areas. For example, the Parliamentary Building Complex in New Delhi, the Supreme Court Complex are places where section 144 is in effect all the time. So now let's go back to the current affairs and take a look at the restrictions that have been imposed in the current All India lockdown in order to tackle the ongoing coronavirus crisis. So currently in the lockdown, there is a ban on people from stepping out of their homes and all services and shops are closed except essential services such as food, medicine, healthcare and etc. Closure of commercial and private establishments has been enforced, where only work from home option is now available. Suspension of all educational training and research institutions has been imposed, and also places of worship has been closed. Also, all non-essential public and private transport has been closed, along with prohibition of all social, political, sports, entertainment, academic, cultural and religious activities. So now here we have a question. So when we were discussing about section 144 of the CRPC, so we'll look at that slide again. We notice here that section 144 is invoked for reasons in order to prevent or tend to prevent danger to human life, health or safety, or disturbance of public tranquility. So in this case, so for most contexts this is taken in terms of law and order context, but in this particular coronavirus crisis, the crisis is itself a threat to human life, and hence section 144 of the CRPC has been invoked. So which is why in order to maintain the current restrictions in this lockdown, in order to tackle the coronavirus crisis, we have invoked section 144 of the CRPC. So finally, let's take a look at the differences between section 144 of the CRPC and curfew. So are section 144 and curfew the same? Short answer is they are not. So section 144 of the CRPC generally prohibits public gathering, but curfew orders on the other hand order people to stay indoors for a specific period of time. And under curfew, if a person wants to go out of their house during the curfew time, they need the prior approval from their local police station. This is an important point. Whereas under section 144 of the CRPC only bars mob gatherings, but it does not necessarily control such gatherings. So in essence, a curfew is a larger action that is taken in order to control the grave situation, and any person that is moving under a curfew needs permissions from the concerned authorities. So in an essence, we can say that curfew is a more intensive measure than section 144 of CRPC. So in this particular context, the Indian government has invoked section 144 of the CRPC in order to maintain or uphold the restrictions that have been imposed under this lockdown to prevent the spread of coronavirus disease. Thank you for watching. I hope you all liked our video. Please leave your feedback in the form of comments, and please remember to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.